Centre. Give it a go day.
Do you want to find a new hobby or try a new sport? Come to our Give It a Go Day. We've got a lot of different sports and activities for you.
Trampolining.
Jump as high as you can on our amazing trampolines. With the safety harness on, you can jump very high or try some more exciting moves.
Climbing.
Do you love climbing trees? Come and try our climbing wall. You can learn to climb safely and have lots of fun.
Races.
We've got a lot of fun races too. There are running races in the morning and afternoon.
Arts and crafts.
Do you love making things? Come and try your hand at lots of different arts and crafts. Would you rather learn knitting or sewing? Or would you rather learn painting or drawing? When? Saturday the 10th of April from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Where? Alton Leisure Centre. Cost? Just £3 for all activities. Fill in your form now.